Hello everyone, welcome to WebDev Warriors. So in this video we will upload a package in npm. Every time we use third-party package. So in this video we will upload our own package and everyone can use this package for further. So let's start it. For uploading npm any package in npm, we need to create an account in npm. So first I go to npm. So here we need to sign up for sign up account. So I have already account, so I'm not sign up again. So I'm gonna sign in my account and I log in my. I'm signing. It will show up one time password. So the password will come in my mail. So this is my page npm. Now I want to upload a package. So for that let's name it reverse array. Reverse array. So this will be my package name, reverse array. I'm gonna open it in VS Code. Here first we need to use the npm in. I use npm init and it says the package name. So my package name will be the reverse array. Version will be 1.1. Description and entry point will be index.js. Paste command. Git repository. Initially I don't put git repository yet. Keywords, let's put a array and author. License, let's put enter. So this is all. Now I need to use the index. Yes. And here I'm gonna use the const reverse array. It will receive a array and then here array dot reverse. Now I'm gonna export this function module dot export for testing. Let's test using console.log reverse array 1. Let's do it 1 2 3. Okay, test whether it's work or not. It's perfectly work. Now we're gonna upload it in npm. For that we need to first use the npm login. So I'm gonna use npm login. So press enter to go. So I press enter, I'll press enter and it will open up this page. Here I need to put one time pass OTP that is given, that will give you in your email. Now I'm logged in and the login is success. Now I need to upload it. For that I need to change the, so now upload npm publish. So if I use npm publish, so it's keep error. If it's keep error, then you need to just change the name. So then I put npm publish. So I will see that my package is published. So if I go to my home, package and package. This is my package, so my package is published, and if I click on my package, so I'm gonna use this package. So for that, if I want to add any package like app.js, I'm gonna use my package. So for that, I need to use the npm install, just upload the command. It will install it, and I can use my package. So that just need to use the const array. For that, I need to use the require, and here we need to use the reverse array. Now if I use the console.log reverse array, here instead of 1 2 3 4 5, now if I log in, yeah, it's now what. So you can use, anyone can use your package, and that's all. Please subscribe to our channel and stay with us.